Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Acorn in Grand Mobile RP. First, gather oak drops and shell fragments by exploring forests and completing simple quests. Keep an eye on spawn timers and inventory limits so you do not overcollect. Next, travel to a crafting station or open your portable kit and arrange items in the correct order. Finally, confirm the craft and test the acorn in your inventory to ensure success. Start by identifying reliable oak tree zones and repeat farming routes to collect acorn seeds consistently. Prioritize quests that reward components and check markets for affordable shell fragments. Use storage chests to free up inventory space and avoid accidental selling of rare drops. Consider teaming with friends to speed up collection during peak respawn windows. Keep a simple checklist of required items so you always know when you are ready to craft. Approach a crafting bench or open your portable kit and select the acorn recipe from the crafting menu. Place the required seeds, shell fragments, and binding materials into their designated slots exactly as shown. Check any success chance modifiers and use boosters only if needed to conserve resources. Confirm the craft and wait for the animation to finish, then inspect the finished acorn in your inventory and equip or trade as desired.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.